Understanding My Feet Hurt, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a common English phrase, my feet hurt. This phrase is simple but important, especially if you're navigating an English-speaking environment. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some related expressions. My feet hurt is a straightforward expression used when someone is experiencing pain in their feet. This phrase is often used after walking or standing for a long time, or if someone has an injury. It's a personal statement, referring specifically to the speaker's discomfort. Let's look at some scenarios where this phrase might be used. 1. After a long day of touring a city, you might say, my feet hurt, to express your need for a break. 2. If you're trying new shoes that are uncomfortable, you might use this phrase to indicate that the shoes are causing pain. English has several phrases related to bodily discomfort. Here are a few. I have a headache, used when your head hurts. My back aches, expressing pain in the back. These phrases follow a similar pattern, making it easy to express different types of physical discomfort in English. While we're not using phonetic transcriptions, remember that pronunciation is key. For my feet hurt, my is short and simple, pronounced like the word my. Feet emphasizes the ee sound. Hurt is pronounced with a clear sound. And that's all for today. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, my feet hurt, more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. See you in our next lesson.